Chapter number 9. Name that bird. Number 1. This bird enters the saltwater crocodile's mouth to pick out parasites and food particles. And the answer is Egyptian plover. Number 2. This bird has been known to lay more than 100 eggs in one nest. And the right answer is ostrich. Number 3. It is the world's heaviest flying bird. And the answer is African Kori bustard. Number 4. The bird with the largest wingspan. And the right answer is wandering albatross. Number 5. This bird became extinct in the year 1680 because sailors overhunted it. And the answer is dodo. Number 6. A bird that can rotate its head by 180 degrees on either side. And the answer is owl. Number 7. You can see this bird on the official seal of the USA. And the answer is bald eagle.